Hi, I'm John with Gorilla Garage. I'm here getting ready for the Buffalo Home and Garden Show, getting our display prepared. We're going to show you how we make our rock today. We use this rock to show the whole process of our flooring system from start to finish. Right now, clearly, we're at the start. I have an old dirty chunk of concrete in need of repair and a Gorilla floor. So stay tuned and you can see the whole process. Alright, so the first step is to prep the surface. We do that using diamond head grinders. And give me a second to turn on my vacuum and I'll show you what that looks like right now. We're going to rough this whole thing up. Alright, so we just finished grinding our rock here. That grinding, along with taking off any paint or sealer that might be on an existing floor, is going to open up all the pores of this concrete real nice for us. So when we go to do some repair work on this in a minute here, it's all going to soak into that rock real nice. Alright, so I got our concrete repair product mixed up here. And I'm just going to spread this evenly throughout the whole rock, except for this part that we want to leave open. And this is what we're going to use, fills in all those pits and things you get in your concrete from all the salt on the roads, all the oil from your car. When that stuff gets into your concrete, starts doing damage, leaves all those pits behind. This is what we use to solve that problem. Now you can almost see this is a very porous material. So when we go over the top of this with our epoxy is going to soak right into that. It's going to soak into that, through that, into the concrete. You're going to get a great bond with all these materials. We're back at our rock. Our repair has cured, so we're ready to keep moving. Next step now, we're going to go over this with the grinder again. Just like we did with the bare surface, we want to open up the pores of our repair work now, so our epoxy is going to soak into that. We got the pores of this opened up nice. We're ready for epoxy, so we'll get that out, we'll get that going, and you can see the next step. Alright, so here's our part A and our part B for our epoxy. It's also a two-part mix, just like the repair work was. Difference between this and the repair work, we're going to put this down, let this dry overnight. We like a nice slow curing epoxy. This is going to soak through our repair work, through the concrete, really absorb into that concrete and strengthen the concrete itself from the inside out. So I'm going to mix that up, we'll put it down, and we'll actually have some color on this rock soon. We got our flakes ready, so I'm going to paint this onto our rock, throw some flakes on there, and that's it for today. That's pretty good there, nice and thick. Nice even coat. Alright, we'll go ahead and start throwing our flakes. And this particular mix I picked just for our employee Zach. We got your favorite color back. This color is called Hog, so all you Harley guys, let me know how you think about this. Let me know what you think about this one. That's it. Those flakes are just going to sit there right on top of that. The epoxy is going to dry overnight. We'll come back tomorrow, pick up all these loose flakes, clean our rock off, and we'll clear coat it tomorrow. We'll be all set. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll be back tomorrow. We're back at our rock. We put the flakes on yesterday. We let that dry overnight, so we're going to see how that cured. We're just going to go ahead and scrape these flakes right off, get everything that's loose right off of there. Looking like it's definitely cured all the way. We'll just hit that with our vacuum and we'll be ready to clear coat. Alright, we got our clear coat all mixed up. This is not my morning coffee. We're going to put this on the rock. We'll leave a little section here so you can see what the bare flakes look like. And that's it for the rock. And this clear coat is what protects your floor from the salt, the oil, things like that want to get into that concrete and kind of destroy it from the inside out. This clear coat is going to leave you a nice protective barrier from all that happening. You get salt on your floor, you just wipe it right off now. That's it for how we make our rock. Come see us at the Buffalo Home Show. Check us out on Instagram, YouTube. Leave us a like, comment. Give us a call if you ever want us to come out and give you a quote. Thanks.